Best bonsai plants for the office. Bonsai plants are a popular choice for office decor due to their aesthetic appeal and low maintenance requirements. Bonsai plants can improve air quality, reduce stress, and boost productivity in the office. Factors to consider when selecting a bonsai plant for the office include lighting, temperature, and watering needs. Some popular bonsai plants for the office include ficus, Chinese elm, and jade. Proper care for bonsai plants in the office includes regular watering, fertilization, and pruning. Common issues with bonsai plants in the office include pests, overwatering, and underwatering. Bonsai plants can enhance the office environment and provide a natural touch to the workspace, while being relatively easy to care for.